All right, let's start up this car.
X-band, K-band, K-A-band.
We're in comfort mode right now. I will change up the modes as we drive, but this is a 2019 C63 with stage 2 tune, you know, the usual catless downpipes with a tune. And I do have blow-up valves, and this car is lowered, so, you know, just something light, nothing crazy. No bolt-ons besides the downpipes, if you call that a bolt-on, which technically is. I had to argue with my cousin about it, but you know, he believes it's bolt-on, so I'm gonna call it bolt-on. This car's full bolt-on now. We got the wet road, and I have to stop at CVS real quick. What do you guys think about this display? Would you prefer this display, or I have this one? So in the POV drives, comment down below what you want to see. This one or this one. We're gonna start with this one right now, and I'll switch it up. If you see something different right now, no, that's not a check engine light. That's contraction fully off, because I don't like when this car restricts the power of, you know, just the diff. It just, like, look, it's nice and smooth. Woo! And that's in comfort. Damn. Hope you guys can hear some of the exhaust right now. That's too much wind. Let's go this way. Alright, so since we're coming with curves, let's try Sport Plus. I don't know why they put just Sport. Like, I'm curious if anyone actually uses Sport. Oh, look. G80. Oh, that's a G82. That was an M4. Nice, nice. Now we got Sport Plus. Let's let this car go. It's gonna pop. Oh shit! Oh my god! What the fuck? I was not expecting that. Oh my god! I'm so glad I caught that, bro. That was crazy. All right, I'm gonna take a. This liquor store. This might be actually one of the sickest liquor stores. And that's a tiki bar right there. I need to take someone there. Yeah, no traction off is like, it's crazy in this car, especially with this car being tuned. Woo! We got the vet right there. Come on, boy. Come out. Let's go. Here, let's crack up this window. Man, I just like cruising by the lake. Now, I'm not gonna do a dig, but I just want to like let that car go so we can get some space for fun. Let's change this up. Let's change it up to Super Sport. Put AMG there. Like that. It's not hooking at all. I mean, it's wet outside, to be fair. But I don't even hook on dry. Like when it's anything under 60, I can't. This car being light and pushing like 650 horsepower, it just doesn't hook. Whew. I'm shifting early. Look at that. That was like 400 torque right there. 440. This car is going crazy today. Well, I'm going crazy, but this car is extra crazy. What'd you guys think of that slide? I was pretty weak because I was in manual, and I'm driving with one hand, if you guys don't notice, and you know why. Yeah, I can control with this mouse pad. I can control all of this right here: AMG, trip, display. I can put in sport and then change it up like that. There's so much to do with this car, honestly. There's so much to do. I've never actually had it like that. That's pretty sick. And then right here, I can go like this, or I can put it into engine data. These are my favorites. And then it'll show me like my horsepower. Now this isn't that accurate because I know my car has more than 600 horsepower, and you know, obviously it doesn't show that. But look, like I just tapped the gas just slightly, like just touch. That's 100 torque. I don't believe that. That's crazy. That's like my mom gassing up the car and I'm just touching the gas. I've noticed this whole drive through the cop, I have not seen one cop. I think POV drives are pretty safe to do because I have a radar and that thing hasn't went off ever since I started recording for a POV drive. Full mode. Look how it downshifts immediately when I put it in that mode. You can tell the gear is right there, for you guys wondering. Way too comfortable in this car. Woo. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a like and subscribe if you watched all the way, and comment down below what kind of content you want to see in this car, or any questions you guys got about the C63s. Let me know. I'm here for y'all and I appreciate the support. Thank you. Peace.